Ever felt like managing your appointments was costing you more in headaches than it was worth? Like you're constantly juggling schedules, chasing payments, trying to figure out if you're actually making any money? You're not alone. We all know that running a service-based business is a beautiful blend of passion and chaos. But what if there was a way to tame that chaos, streamline your workflow, and most importantly, do it without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving deep into a tool that promises to do just that: Square Appointments. And the burning question on everyone's mind is, how much does it really cost? Is it a hidden money pit or a smart investment? Let's peel back the layers and find out. Think about it. You're a hairstylist, a massage therapist, a personal trainer, a dog groomer. You're in the business of time. Your time is your product. And if you're wasting time on manual scheduling, missed appointments, and payment hassles, you're losing money. That's where a platform like Square Appointments comes in, promising to automate the tedious stuff and free you up to do what you do best. But here's the catch: every business tool comes with a price tag. And understanding that price tag is crucial for your bottom line. You don't want to get caught off guard by hidden fees or unexpected charges. So let's break down the Square Appointments pricing structure, starting with the basics. Square Appointments offers a tiered pricing model designed to cater to businesses of different sizes and needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, which is actually a good thing. It means you can choose a plan that aligns with your specific requirements and budget. The first tier is the free plan. Yes, you heard that right, free. It's designed for solo professionals, those just starting out, or those with very simple scheduling needs. With the free plan, you get access to basic appointment scheduling, online booking, and payment processing. This is a fantastic entry point for anyone who wants to test the waters and see if Square Appointments is right for them. However, keep in mind that the free plan has limitations. You can only manage one location, and you don't get access to some of the more advanced features like text message reminders or multi-staff scheduling. But for a solo operator looking for a simple, cost-effective solution, it's a solid option. Now let's move on to the Plus plan. This is where things start to get interesting. The Plus plan is designed for growing businesses with multiple staff members and more complex scheduling needs. It comes with a monthly subscription fee, which varies depending on the number of staff you need to manage. This is where the price starts to vary depending on your business. The Plus plan includes everything in the free plan, plus some powerful additions. You get access to text message reminders, which can significantly reduce no-shows. You can manage multiple staff members, allowing you to coordinate schedules and allocate resources efficiently. And you get access to more advanced reporting and analytics, giving you valuable insights into your business performance. But here's the key question: how much does the Plus plan actually cost? The price is structured on a per-staff basis. So if you have 2 staff members, you'll pay a certain monthly fee. If you have 5 staff members, the fee will be higher. This scaling model allows you to pay for only what you need, which is a significant advantage. To get the most accurate pricing, you'll need to visit the Square Appointments website and enter your specific staff count. The website will then generate a personalized quote, giving you a clear picture of your monthly costs. And then we have the Premium plan. This is the top-tier option, designed for larger businesses with multiple locations and complex scheduling needs. It includes everything in the Plus plan, plus some advanced features like custom permissions, advanced reporting, and priority support. This is designed for high-volume businesses. The Premium plan also uses a per-staff pricing model, but it comes with a higher monthly fee than the Plus plan. Again, the exact cost will depend on your staff count. Now, let's talk about some of the additional costs you might encounter. Square Appointments integrates with Square's payment processing system, which means you'll pay a transaction fee for every payment you process. This fee varies depending on the type of payment, e.g., in-person, online, card not present. It's important to factor these transaction fees into your overall cost analysis. While Square Appointments itself may be affordable, the payment processing fees can add up, especially for businesses with high transaction volumes. Another potential cost to consider is the hardware. Square Appointments is compatible with a range of Square hardware, including card readers, stands, and registers. While you can use your own devices, purchasing Square hardware can enhance your customer experience and streamline your payment process. However, Square often runs promotions and offers discounts on hardware, so it's worth checking their website for the latest deals. Now, let's pivot and talk about the value you get for your money. Beyond the core scheduling and payment features, Square Appointments offers a range of tools that can help you grow your business. One of the most powerful features is the built-in marketing tools. You can create email campaigns, send promotional offers, and track your marketing performance, all from within the Square Appointments platform. This can help you attract new customers and retain existing ones. Another valuable feature is the client management tools. You can store client information, track their appointment history, and send personalized messages. This can help you build stronger relationships with your clients and provide a more personalized service. Square Appointments also integrates with other Square products like Square Online and Square Loyalty. This allows you to create an online store, build a loyalty program, and offer a seamless customer experience across multiple channels. So when you're evaluating the cost of Square Appointments, don't just focus on the monthly subscription fee. Consider the value you're getting in return. Think about the time you'll save, the revenue you'll generate, and the improved customer experience you'll provide. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.